Well, welcome to Wednesdays with Wilson. And I'm your host, Mr. Wilson. Hello, everybody. Want to continue with our look at rhythm. Thank you for joining us on WWW. Now, if you take a look at the rhythm on the screen, we have a quarter note followed by two eighth notes. We know those are two eighth notes because they have the one beam connecting them. And then it's followed by two more quarter notes. And most of us can play this rhythm. So I'm going to play it and then you will echo me. One, two, here, go. Go. My turn. One, two, three. My turn. Ready, set, your turn, and go. Good. Now we're going to count it. Ready, together. Here we go. One, two, and three, four. Count one more time. Here we go. One, two, and three, four. Now it's important that you got this down, Pat, because this is the basis of everything else we're going to do for today. So take a look at this rhythm. This is the rhythm that we saw last week in WWW. And you'll notice that one is connected to beat two. We have a quarter note and it's tied to the downbeat of beat two, but the end of two is still there. So a moment ago, we played this. But now the first eighth note is connected to the quarter note, the first quarter note. See the difference? Let me go back to the other rhythm without the tie. Now let me add the tie back in. Now I'm going to play it and then you echo me. One, two, ready? One, two, your turn and play. Now count, ready, set, here we go. One and three, four. I'm going to play, you echo. Ready? Ready, set, your turn and play. And count, ready, set, here we go. One, two, and three, four. You're going to say, wait a minute, that sounded exactly like this. Well, you know what? You're right. This is called a dotted quarter note. And we've talked about it a little bit before, but for some clarification, a dotted quarter note is equal to a quarter note tied to an eighth note. Well, how does that work? Well, remember the rule of the dot is always half the value of the note. A quarter note is one full beat. Pretty straightforward. One. Okay. Well, half of one, of course, we know from our math class is a half. What note do we have that's half of a beat? Ding, 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 an eighth note. So quarter note, one beat, eighth note, half a beat. This rhythm is the same as the dotted quarter note right here. Okay? So this is two ways of writing the same thing. So I'm going to play this, and then we're going to play on. What I want you to do is we're going to put that dotted quarter note followed by an eighth note rhythm placed on different beats. So here we go. I'm going to play, you echo. Ready, set, your turn, go. Now count. Ready, set, here we go. One and three, four. I'm playing. Ready, set, here I go. One, two, your turn and play. Count. Ready, set, here we go. One, two, and three. My turn. Ready, set. Your turn. Ready, set, and go. Count. Ready, set, here we go. One and two and four. Same rhythm on a new beat. Here we go. Rest. One, two, your turn and go. Rest. count. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and ready? My turn. Rest. 1, 2, your turn. Here we go. Rest. Ready? Count. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. My turn. Ready? Set. Rest. Ready? Set your turn. Here you go. Rest. Ready? Set. Let's count. Here we go. Rest. 2 and 4. Nice work. So the thing to remember is whenever you see the dotted quarter note rhythm, at the dot always comes on the next beat where the dotted quarter note actually starts. So see, it starts on 1. That dot would actually be on beat 2, and here's the end of 2. Right here, it's the dotted quarter note starts on 2. Well, guess what? That dot's on the next beat, which is 3. That means that's the end of 3. Okay, right here, the dotted quarter is on 3. That means that dot's on 4. And look, that's the end of 4. Okay, right here, the dotted quarter is on 2. That means the dot's on 3. The dot's always the next beat, the downbeat of the next beat. Okay, right here starts on 2. So the dot's going to be 3, right? So that's the end of 3. The way that's going to work. All right, kiddos. So thank you for chiming in and checking out Wednesdays with Wilson. And today we're discussing rhythm, and in particular, we've been discussing the dotted quarter note rhythm. Practice this on your own. Hit me up if you have any questions at my email, jswilson@gaston.k12.nc.us, or you can hit me up on my Google Voice number, which will be in the packet that's sent to you. Or you can even hit me up on YC Band Hangouts, our Instagram page. You guys have a great one. Wilson out. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to always, kiddos, play on.